everything that is in our premises, it belongs to us.
Well, technically, belongs to us, the people. We have, we're taxpayers. We pay this area, this building, and all that. Technically.
Yeah. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Film
I
this.
can't film.
Not in here.
Is it like a statute law that I can't do that?
The only thing I would ask is that, you know, if somebody else walks in there and you're not sure what they're there for, just please don't videotape them at that time, okay?
For a witness situation, and they're a witness, a victim of a crime, you know, like, you're not a feelings enforcer. Just because they feel that is wrong, you're in law enforcement, correct? You gotta enforce law. CCO. Hi, how you doing? No, I'm just taking pictures real quick.
Oh.
All right, guys. Hey, quick question. Complaint forms, do I get them here if I want to make a complaint on an officer?
Yes.
Okay, you have any? What was that? Want to talk to IA? No. Not at the moment. Look, guys. They have the same policy up here as that building of the Justice Center. This is the sheriff's office. What do you guys think about that? Look. Is that interesting to you guys or what? Because it is to me.
Let me print one for you because I ran out.
Okay, no problem. She seems pretty nice. But, Charlotte County is crazy to me because of this. Look. I know I already took pictures of it. That's the county ordinance. They have cameras there. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I got this for you. If you need to add something on it, you can use a blank paper and attach it to this.
Cool. Thank you for being professional. What's your name?
Treya Franco.
Awesome. Quick question about the signage over here. It says county ordinance. No video recording in the building? In the public areas? It has here, it says not allowed no anywhere inside the county buildings. Why do you guys, who put this signage up? Do you have any idea?
Well, it should be us because of, I don't know, if it's in our, everything that is in our premises, it belongs to us.
Well, technically, belongs to us, the people. We have, we're taxpayers. We pay this area, this building, and all that. Technically, so this is why
I have a camera over here.
Yeah.
And so,
Do you mind being recorded?
I don't.
Cool. That's what we want to see. But you have no idea, right, about this. Who can I speak to about this situation?
You want to speak to somebody about who is the ordinance on the wall?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is that? It shouldn't be like that. This is a public building. We're allowed to take pictures in public. You have an idea about the First Amendment?
I don't mind because we have core values. As you can see, we're professional.
Yeah, I know. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait outside because I don't want no issues. Yeah, I don't want no issues. It says no recording in the building, so I don't want anybody to, you know what I mean? I don't want to break no county ordinance that's on here. I'm gonna wait right there.
Yeah, if you want to,
all right.
welcome. But remember, if you need to put more than the paper doesn't is not enough.
Okay.
You can add a blank paper and attach it to
Awesome.
this one, and then you can bring it out to us, and we will.
Thank you for being professional, polite. Appreciate it. I'm gonna wait out there. Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right, guys, here we go. Well, I just want to ask a question about that because, I mean, this is the sheriff's administration complex. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Excuse me. But anyways, we're gonna wait out here real quick. See what's up. She seems very, very nice. She don't mind transparency from what I'm seeing and being recorded. So she says she knows what I'm doing. Even though that county ordinance can't, I mean, that's crazy. They don't trump the first, right? The First Amendment. This is where shit gets interesting when I do these videos. So I want to know what you guys think in the comment section. And I did, before I walked in this building, look at the signs out here. It's not much to look at, but you know what? I don't say nothing about video recording inside. It doesn't have that sign outside of the building. That statute code that's in there with that county ordinance, it was outside of the Justice building, which I missed before I went in that building. Oh, this shit's good. Can I go through? Can I do FOIA requests here?
Can you do what?
FOIA requests here?
What kind of request?
FOIA requests. Like for body cam footages?
I don't know.
No?
What are you looking to do?
I need to request a body cam footage. I can do it here? Like for the department?
Requesting body footage? Body cam footage? I don't think they do that here.
Can...
You probably have to go to headquarters.
For,
Why is he filming this now? Yeah. Are you filming this?
yeah.
No, you can't film
I
this.
can't film.
Not in here. You can.
Is it a like a statute law that I can't do
right
that?
there.
Is it?
Area, recording prohibited.
It is? This is a public building though, right?
This is a security area. This is a security check.
Can I get your name? Can I get your name? Can you just verbalize it? Let me see something. Does it say anything about recording? There's a statute of law, but there's nothing about recording. Recording prohibited. I'm gonna stand right here. Check this out. There's no statute code on that though. This guy doesn't even want to verbalize his name, so they're already acting tyrannical here. I feel. Look, I'm gonna stand right here. Let's read this real quick. Look. And I missed this sign before I came in. You see, this is what about auditing is about too. You gotta be very careful. I walked by it quick. Let's see what it says. I haven't even read it, but I just see. Look. All right, look, guys. Right? Am I? Is it just me or is just? Am I right? Will be immediately trespassed without warning. If I would have sit there, something told me to walk out immediately. Because if I would have sat there and tried to argue with him in a confrontation, like what people like to see, of course, but that's not what it's all about, though. You know, it's about doing the right thing and about following procedures. And if I would have sat there, to just get to the point, if I would have sat there, I would have gone to jail. He already told me stand by, but I didn't. I just looked at the thing, and there you have it. You cannot record here. So how am I gonna know, or anybody's gonna know, who comes in here and tries to, you know, video record in here, which is our right to do? How are we gonna know until we get inside is when we read that? Like, so what if we go inside there and we run into a tyrant officer that might be standing there in the lobby and just says, "You come recording here, no warning, no trespass warning, come here, give me your camera, put your hands behind your back." I mean, they can do that if they have that ordinance up there. I don't know, you guys tell me, but that should be outside, in my opinion. But there shouldn't even be that sign, period, about video recording in our building, and especially in a sheriff's office, which is our First Amendment right to do. You understand? So why do they have that ordinance up here in this county? I just finished hitting that building at the Justice Center. I came over here and I see the same thing. So someone is gonna come out here and talk to me. I'd rather wait out here just to be on the safe side. So stay tuned, guys, and see what happens on this. And what do you guys think also in the comments? How you doing, man?
Not too bad.
You all right?
I heard you were looking to talk to a deputy.
No, I just wanted to ask you a question about the signage that's in it. What's your badge number and your name real quick?
980.
Cool. There's a sign in there that says I can't video record. It's a city ordinance. I don't want to know how is that possible in a public building that we pay for. It's a public lobby. I'm curious about that.
So it's not a problem to videotape.
Okay.
The issue is that we bring in victims of crimes and victims of child crimes and stuff. And so for you to videotape them when they come in and you put them on YouTube or whatever, then that violates Marcy's law. So,
Marcy's law?
Yeah, so that's why we put that up there.
Okay. But
It's a protection of the identity of victims of crimes.
But it's a public lobby, though.
Absolutely.
So
You can videotape. The only thing I would ask is that, if somebody else walks in there and you're not sure what they're there for, just please don't videotape them at that time, okay?
Quick. Also, I just want to say something else. But in a public area, in a public view, there's no expectation of privacy. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to video.
No, yeah, I understand.
But
I was saying, if somebody comes in and they said, hey, I want to report a crime or my daughter was raped or something, we don't want their image out there because that could be a violation of Marcy's law.
Well, that doesn't also violate my rights to film in public.
Right.
That's just why I do this. It's a First Amendment right. When it's a
No,
public
100%.
view,
Yeah.
public areas, especially a police station.
Yeah.
It's my right to film in public anything I can see.
I agree.
And there's no expectation of privacy. And if that's the case, they should have you guys should have a private walkway where we don't want to be seen and they don't want to be seen if they're victims of crimes.
It's not like they're going to be interviewed in the lobby.
No,
they just enter and exit through there.
Yeah, I know.
That's all.
But if I'm videotaping out here, what if I'm outside and they come in through here? Like right now, one comes in through here.
Point,
am I supposed to turn off my camera?
No, at that point, you're not aware unless they're coming up to you telling you why they're here. And if that's the case, then obviously they wouldn't care whether or not you knew why they were here.
Yeah, and if I'm inside there, like I just got a complaint form, and then I seen that county ordinance saying that I can't videotape. I just saw that county ordinance at the city at the Justice Center I just came from, and I walked in and they told me I can't film in there automatically. So I went outside. I missed the sign. I went outside and I saw the sign.
The Justice Center could be different. That could be ordered by a judge.
Yeah, it could be true, but since they had the same facility ordinance that's in there, it was outside. So I went and complied and I left. I just came to get a complaint form.
Sure.
That's all. And then I seen that sign. I want to know. My viewers want to know why is that in a public building, and especially a police station? Why is that ordinance under that we can't videotape? It says you'll seize my phone, you'll trespass me with no warning, like it says it in there.
Right.
For videoing.
Because if you videotape something that would be part of a criminal case, then your phone would be taken as part of evidence in that case.
Yeah, but if it's in public view, that's what gets me. I'm not trying to do that. But if I see it with my eyes without a camera, it's the same thing with the camera if you're in public.
Yeah, but it's different because your intent with the video is to publish that out for other people to view.
And whoever works in there is on their onus to make it private. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So it's not like it won't be my fault if my camera catches it. Do you understand? The onus is on them to hide the privacy on that, especially if it's on public view. So I just wanted to interact.
I said nobody's going to be talking about the details of the case or anything in there.
But just in case it does happen, in case anybody else decides to come and videotape their transactions with the government, which they're allowed to do.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's not correct for us to get sanctions on it just because we're in public. When somebody feels intimidated or they're coming in here for a witness situation and they're a witness or victim of a crime, you know, like, you're not a feelings enforcer just because they feel that is wrong. You're law enforcement, correct? You gotta enforce law.
Right.
So I'm on the right, all the right, and I have all the right to do and film in public, and anything I can see can trespass my eyes. Does that make sense?
Yeah, you can film.
Okay. So I just wanted to know, do you not have any idea who put that sign up?
No.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm about to cut this. I gotta go. But it should be outside, though. My opinion, because.
Well, you would think that they put it outside so you had fair warning.
Exactly. Before it went, I didn't know until I saw the sign and I asked for my complaint form. And technically, I can violate the ordinance in there if I didn't see the sign.
Because you're already doing it. You're already in there.
Exactly. Does that make sense?
I'm with you, man.
So that's another thing. I see the signs before I go in my buildings. Make sure there's no signs like that. Because if there is and it has a statute code, I won't go in ahead and break that statute code, even though it shouldn't be like that.
Right.
You know, when it comes to videoing. Sure. But it should be out there, man. I don't know if you want to mention it to your supervisor.
And really, that's what it's all about. It's just trying to protect the identity
Transparency.
of victims. That's all.
Keep y'all accountable. You're looking professional. You're hearing me out. That's cool. That's what we're looking for, man.
Appreciate
I'm not
it.
trying to agitate. I'm not about that. I'm not trying to instigate. But
You've been very cordial. I appreciate that.
awesome. That's what it's about, man. Awesome. So yeah, man, that's it. I just wanted to talk about it. Maybe, you know, what you think, and maybe you can do something about it with and let them know at least. I'll be back for a revisit pretty time soon. So
Okay.
I'm just letting you guys know that, and it should be outside.
All right, man.
You have a great day.
You
Hopkins?
too. Yep.
Badge number again?
980.
You have a great day, man.
All right, man.
Take
Have a
it
good
easy,
one.
guys. That's Hopkins right there. There you have it. Very cordial and professional.
Appreciate that.
All right, man. Take it easy, brother. So, trying to get that education. He's probably going to go. Think he's going to go say something about that? What do you guys think about